Alright, this has nothing to do with MMA or the podcast. I just want to show you guys some good meal prep. So, little backstory. Now, when I started boxing, I was 260 pounds, and I got down to about 195, and then I had some injuries, had some surgeries, and I ballooned back up to 230. So now, I'm trying to get back on, my old habits and diet, and get this weight off again. So, I know a lot of people that like MMA, like fighting, they try to work out, be in shape. So, let me show you guys a good meal prep to help you do that. Alright, so first thing we're doing was we're going to make our marinade, like our sauce to put in the crock pot. So get yourself your blender, and we're going to mix all these things in. This is everything you need right here. Some garlic salt, lime juice, black pepper, sea salt, oregano, and some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. This is the key ingredient right here. Now you can also add cilantro. I just forgot to get some from the store. Alright, so everything is in the blender. Add a little bit of water after you mix all the ingredients in, and then we're going to blend it up. It would help if I plugged it in. Let's try this again. Alright, now we got our sauce blended up. We're going to add some chicken breasts into the crock pot. Alright, first thing, spray the bottom of your pan of the crock pot. Now add your chicken breasts. Alright, so I've got 6 pretty large chicken breasts to fit in the crock pot. Now, if you want to add some dry seasonings to the chicken, you can, but it's whatever you want to do. I added some salt and pepper. Now add your sauce to cover the top of the chicken. Alright, chicken is completely covered. We're going to turn the crock pot on and wait for it to finish up. Got the crock pot on high for about 3 hours, or until it's tender enough to just shred right apart. And that's it. It's just chicken breasts and some seasonings, all straight protein, and very easy. It took me about, even with recording, like 3 minutes to do the whole thing. So if a Sunday meal prep is something you guys would like to see, on the channel, aside from all the MMA content and stuff that we do, then, leave a comment, drop a like, let us know what you think. And this is the final product.